Dumelang Landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you.
My landlords, let us briefly talk about Umbuyiseni Ndlozi.
Now, MDN News reported that Ndlozi consulted Mbeki and Motlanthe before resigning from the EFF, says City Press. According to City Press, Dr. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi consulted with former South African presidents Thabo Mbeki and Kgalema Motlanthe before resigning from the EFF. While specific details of their discussion have not been publicly disclosed, these consultations are believed to have provided Ndlozi with valuable perspectives on his political career and future endeavors. Ndlozi's resignation from the EFF, announced on February 10, 2025, marked the end of his more than a decade-long association with the party. He expressed a desire to contribute to society outside the realm of party politics. Underline, party politics. Prior to his resignation, Ndlozi faced internal party challenges, including a suspension from EFF. He was charged with allegations of involvement in infiltration strategy by the MK party, and for not informing Malema about the departure of then Deputy President Shibambo, which we all agree, if you're an educated person, it was not his place, it was not his job, it was not his portion. Right, sindlulile lapho. Following his resignation, Ndlozi has shifted his focus to media, taking on a role as a show host at Power FM Talk Radio. Now, a lot are saying a job was waiting for him. Jobs wait for people like him. Yes, that's why it's important for you to get educated, number one. Number two, it's important for you to network. Number three, it is important for you to get the necessary experience and build yourself from the ground so that when opportunities like this are presented, they find you ready. But let's continue. He aims to bring his insight and dynamic presence to the broadcasting world, marking a new chapter in his professional journey. Ndlozi's consultation with Mbeki and Motlanthe reflect on his commitment to seeking counsel from experienced leaders during significant career transitions. Their guidance has been instrumental in his decision to step away from party politics and explore new avenues for public engagement. And honestly, as a channel, we are wishing Dr. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi all the best, and we know Uguti he will grow beyond EFF. EFF comrades, this is a decision that was made. Please support Ndlozi in his other endeavors. Him leaving the EFF and party politics does not necessarily make him an enemy of the EFF. While you are at it, please do like, share, and subscribe.